We saw in the previous example that our code in the if statement runs if the condition is true. If the condition is not true, then the code does not run. The application skips the code inside the curly brackets and continues with whatever comes after the if statement. But we have the ability to decide what code to run if the condition in the if statement is false. We do this with an else statement. The else statement is the word else followed by curly brackets. And this is written after the if statement. So the else statement follows directly after the closing curly bracket of the if statement. The else statement does not have parentheses for a condition because it does not check any condition. The condition has already been checked in the if statement. And if the condition is false, the code that we write inside the else statement will run. So let's create a printout here in the else statement, and let's print x is not positive. So we have the variable x, which contains the value 10. And if I run the code now, then we see that the condition is true and the printout x is positive is written to the terminal. So the condition was true and the code in the if statement ran. Now let's change the value of x to -10. Now when we run the code, the condition will be false because x is no longer larger than 0. That means that the code in the if statement will not run, but the code in the else statement will run. So I am running the code now, and we see that the printout is x is not positive.